there with my vlog. What you're looking at is an '02 Chevy Malibu with a 3100 SFI. I still can't get the doggone thing to run regularly. It will start up now as long as I leave it alone for a couple hours. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to look and see if I don't have I'm losing a signal to the fuel injectors. And I was reading in a forum the other day that they were talking about the fuel injector's pulse is on the tachometer circuit, and I do not have a I got a tachometer, but the tachometer is not working. So I wanted to take a quick view on my wiring harness here, because I'm going to try and get in on the internet here and see if I can find a wiring diagram. Because these are going to the fuel injectors. Unfortunately, I can't even get to a wire on the fuel injector, because of course it's under the intake manifold, top part of the intake manifold, and I cannot get to it. There was a weird video I saw, but it was on a Taurus, that the temperature sensor had something to do with the ignition. That's actually yellow and orange. I have an orange and yellow in here. I actually got an orange, and I do have a yellow. I wonder if it's going down to that. It is splitting off. It is going under. It's going down to that. It's, it is a sensor, but I can't believe it. That's keeping it from. It's running and then shutting down, and not starting again until it gets cool. So I don't know. Maybe, just maybe, I don't know. Let's see if this thing's going to start. I haven't started it in 24 hours. I know I'm getting a little low on fuel. Evolution of she's running, my fuel pump's running continuously, so I may back to the drawing board momentarily here. I get some fuel in here. Okay. While I'm here, gotta get that out of there. Check that. Huh. It is loose. That connector. Yeah, that connector. Have I got any power going to that connector? That would have anything to do with it, but see if I got power on that connector when my key is on. Go there. Let's Let's see real quick. See if I got any ground. No, no ground. Which is good. Okay, so that. Oh. Hey. Check ground. Jesus. Hit on the wrong one. Okay, I'm checking for ground. No ground there. Okay, I got a ground. I got a ground here. The other side's power. So let's go to ground on this side. Let's go backwards. I wish I could afford some of those freaking tools that Scanner Tanner has. That pump's running quick. So let me see. Got power going to this side now. You just do. I don't know. Okay. Huh. I got nothing. Oh, I figured I'd have something coming out of this side. What did I just do? Did I turn it on? Yeah, pump's on. I got no ground. Got nothing. I do have power on that one side though. Okay. So I got. That's a ground actually, as you're going power to power. Or power to ground. So I definitely have a ground. I don't have any juice coming this way, but again, it really doesn't matter unless I got it running on it. I'm not going to be able to tell. And I wish I could tell which one of these. That's actually because it's an orange and a yellow. Okay, orange and black. Orange and black and yellow and black. Yeah. No, it's orange and black and yellow. And coming in here, I do have a orange. Yep, I do have an orange and black coming in here. And the other one's a yellow. It didn't show me yellow and black. If I had my multimeter, I could read these, see if they're connected. I might just do that. Try this. I'm gonna go pull this main harness here. Okay. I'm gonna do one. I just want to check. See if those are together. They mean anything.